Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure wellness retreats with Canyon Ranch, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by researching the concept of wellness retreats. Familiarize yourself with Canyon Ranch and its values. Visit the official Canyon Ranch website to explore available retreat options. Select a retreat that aligns with your goals. Consider the specific programs offered, such as fitness, nutrition, and mindfulness. Review the schedules for each program to determine the best fit. Check the accommodation options available at your chosen location. Contact Canyon Ranch for personalized assistance if needed. Plan your travel to the retreat, considering the location and distance. Prepare a packing list that includes comfortable clothing and wellness essentials. Consider any special dietary needs and communicate them in advance. Arrive at Canyon Ranch and check in at the designated reception area. Participate in the orientation session to understand the retreat layout and agenda. Engage with wellness consultants to discuss your goals and expectations. Join group activities to foster connections with other participants. Take time for self-reflection and journaling during your retreat. Incorporate various wellness practices into your daily routine. Use the facilities, including fitness studios, pools, and walking trails. Attend workshops and lectures designed to enhance your wellness knowledge. Make appointments for services like massages or holistic therapies. Stay open to new experiences and be adaptable to changes in the schedule. Seek support from staff if you need guidance throughout the retreat. Document your experiences to track your progress and insights. As you complete the retreat, evaluate what you learned and how to integrate it into daily life. Create a post-retreat plan to maintain the wellness habits you've developed. Consider scheduling follow-up visits for continued wellness support. Leave the retreat feeling rejuvenated and inspired to implement lasting change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.